Hello everyone, myself Deepak Shah from New Catholic Mission School Jhabua, and today's video is for class 11th subject mathematics, chapter 3. Name of the chapter is trigonometry. So you all students are familiar with this concept of trigonometry because in 10th class you studied two chapters of trigonometry, some applications of trigonometry and general topic of trigonometry. So trigonometry, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of the sides of triangle and angles of triangle. Okay, so in this concept in trigonometry, triangles are very important, okay, and angles are also important. So today we discuss about the conversion of angles which are in two types. First, the conversion of angle is from degree to radian. There are two types of angles, first angle in degree and second angle in radian. So first degree to radian, if we change the angle from degree to radian, then what is the formula? Angle into pi upon 180. If we write this formula, angle into pi by 180, and we put value of angle in degree here, then we get the angle in radian, and from radian to degree, is angle into 180 upon pi. If we write in this way, angle in radian into 180 upon pi, then we get the angle in degree. Okay, so these are the two formulas or ways to change the value of angle from degree to radian or radian to degree. Also, in a circle, this is center O, angle theta, radius r, and this is called length of arc. Then the formula is L equals to R upon theta. Okay, formula is L equals to R theta. Okay, L equals to R theta. This is the formula. Length of arc equals to radius into angle. Okay, so these three formulas are important for the exercise 3.1. Also, the measurement of angle pi. Here pi is not means 22 upon 7. Sometimes we write pi as 22 by 7, but the value of pi in degree is 180 degree. Pi by 2, it means half of 180, it means 90. Pi by 3, it means 60 degree. Pi by 4 is 45 degree. Pi by 6 is 30 degree. 2 pi means 360 degree. 3 pi by 2 means 270 degree, and so on. So the value of pi is 180 degree. Okay, and pi by 2 90, pi by 3 60, and so on. So these are all important things for exercise 3.1. Okay, now we start exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. So angle is given in degree and we have to change this angle into radian. So we use this formula. Angle into pi by 180. So 25 degree into pi upon 180 degree. 5 times 36 times. So 5 pi upon 36 is the measurement of angle 25 degree in radian. Okay. Second question. Minus 47 degree 30 minute. This sign is for minute. 30 minutes, it means half degree. 30 minutes means half degree. Okay. So the measurement of angle is 2 LCM 94 plus 1 it means it is minus 95 upon 2 degree. If we change this degree angle in radian, then minus 95 upon 2 into pi upon 180. Okay, this is 19 times 36 times. So 19 pi by 72 is the measurement of this angle, minus 47 degree 30 minutes. Okay, 1 degree 30 minutes means half degree. So 60 minutes equals to 1 degree. Okay, so this is all about question number 1. Now question number 2. In question number 2, we have to change these angles in from radian to degree. The angle is given in radian, 11 by 16 is the value of angle, and here we have to change this radian into degree. So the formula is angle into 180 upon pi. Okay, angle is 11 by 16 into 180 upon, value of pi is not 180 here we take value of pi as 22 upon 7 given in question also. So we put it as 22 by 7. So 11 into 180 into 7, this 7 is in numerator, and 16 into 22. 11 2s are 11 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, so 90, and also this is 8 and 45. So 45 into 7 upon 8. 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 31, 315 upon 8. This is the value of angle in radian. Okay, now we change it into degree. How? We divide it as 315 divided by 8. So 8 3s are 24, 7 5, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. 3 remains, 3 is a remainder. Okay, so 39 degree. Now this 3 is multiplied with 60. Why? Because 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. Okay, so 3 into 60 we get 180. Now we divide this 180 by 8 again. 180 by 8. So 2 times 16 20, 2 times 16 4. So this is 22 minute. Again we get remainder 4. So we multiply this 4 by 60. So we get 240. Now this 240 again we divide by 8. 240 divided by 8. So we get 30. Okay, 8 3s are 24 and 0. So 30 seconds. Okay, this is the value of this angle 11 by 60 in degree. 39 degree, 22 minute, 30 seconds. Okay. Now next question. If the question is in the form 5 pi by 3 and we have to change this in degree, then 5 pi by 3 into 180 upon pi. Pi cancel by pi, 3 60. So this is 300 degree. Okay. So this is question number 2. Now some more questions of this exercise. Let's take question number 4. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter. Radius 100 centimeter and arc of length 22 centimeter. We know the formula of L equals to R theta, or theta equals to L upon R, Okay, so we have to find this value of angle theta. So theta is equals to L. L means 22 upon radius is 100. Now we change it into degree measure. So 22 by 100 into 180 upon pi. This 0 cancel by 0 and theta equals to 22 into 18 upon 10 into 22 upon 7, 22 cancel. So it is 756 carry 5, 126 by 10. Now we divide this 126 by 10, so we get 12 degree, 12 times. Okay, then we get 6 into 60, so we get 360. Again 360 divided by 12, 30 times. Okay, so 360 means 30 minutes. Okay, so this is all about this question. Now next question, question number 6 of this exercise. If in two circles arc of same length subtends angles 60 degree and 75 degree at the center. If in two circles, there are two circles which is having angles 75 degree and 60 degree, but this length of arc is same for both. It means the value of L is same. Radius R1 and R2. This is O dash, this is O. Okay, so we have to find the ratio of their radius. So for this first circle, formula is L equals to R1 theta. L equals to R1 into 60 degree. For this second, L equals to R2 theta. Here L is R2 into 75 degree. Both L are same, so we compare it. So R1 upon R2 equals to 75 degree upon 60 degree. 15 5s are 15 4s are. So R1 ratio R2 equals to 5 ratio 4. This is the ratio of this radius of both circles. Okay. Next, this is question number 6. Now the last question of this exercise, question number 7. Question number 7. Find the angle in the radian. We have to find the value of theta in radian through which the pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. Length of pendulum which is also known as radius. Radius is given as 75 centimeter. And tip describe the arc of length and length of arc or arc of length. L equals to 10 for the first. We have to find theta. Theta is equals to L upon R. It means 10 upon 75. 2 by 15. It is 2 by 15. Okay. So this is all about exercise 3.1. Now the next topic for this next exercise is trigonometric function. Very important topic. Trigonometric functions. Okay, there are so many angles, so many values of angles. First, in 10th class we discuss about this 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, sine theta, if we take this theta, sine cos 10, so sine 0 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0, 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 and not defined. So this is the values of sine 0, sine 30, cos 0, cos 30, tan 0, tan 30. Similarly, values of cosec, sec and cot we will easily find by this reciprocal of sine we get cosec, reciprocal of cos we get sec and reciprocal of tan we get cot theta. Okay. So this is the revision of class 10th for you. Now the next, there are 4 quadrants. There are 4 quadrants. How many quadrants in a graph? Okay, there are 2 axes, x and x dash, y and y dash. So we have 4 quadrants, first, second, third and fourth. You all know these are 4 quadrants. Okay, and in 9th and 10th you know that this, in this quadrant both x and y are positive. In this second quadrant x is negative and y is positive, this both negative, and in this plus and minus. Okay. So this is also a revision of class 9th and 10th, but in this chapter we are not taking this minus plus plus minus, we are not dealing with these sides, we are taking angles of these 4 quadrants. Okay, हम इन चारों quadrants के angles के बारे में बात करेंगे. Okay, but in next video. Okay, thank you.